In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a border to a shape in LibreOffice Impress step by step in a quick and easy way. If you're creating a presentation and want your shapes to stand out more, adding a border is one of the simplest ways to make them look cleaner, sharper, and more professional. Whether you're working on a school project, a business presentation, or a slideshow for work, this is a useful skill to know. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, please go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. Once LibreOffice launches, you'll see the Start Center. On the left side, under Create, click Impress Presentation if you're starting a new file. If you already have a presentation open, you can open that instead and continue working on it. This step is important because the border tool works inside the Impress presentation editor. After your presentation is open, go to the slide that contains the shape you want to edit. If you haven't added a shape yet, you can insert one from the drawing tools. But for this tutorial, we'll focus on changing the border of an existing shape. Now click directly on the shape to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see the outline handles around it. This means LibreOffice is ready for you to change its formatting. Next, look at the top toolbar and find the line color dropdown. This is the option that controls the border color of the shape. Click the drop-down arrow to open the color menu. From here, you can choose a border color that matches your design. For example, you might use black for a clean default look, blue for a professional feel, or any custom color that fits your slide theme. Once you select a color, the shape border will appear immediately. If you want the border to be more visible, you can also adjust the line width. The line width controls how thick or thin the border looks around the shape. A thin line works well for subtle designs, while a thicker border can help the shape stand out more strongly on the slide. If needed, open the line width options and pick the thickness that looks best for your presentation. You can experiment with different colors and widths until you get the exact style you want. And that's really all there is to it. Once you've chosen the border color and adjusted the line width, the shape border will now appear around the shape in LibreOffice Impress. It's a simple change, but it can make a big difference in how polished your slides look. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you won't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.